it's okay, it's okay. Alright, welcome to the... Damn. That's satisfying. Good evening. What I'm doing is I've been watching a lot of Lex, who is Made You Look on YouTube, and Glam and Gore and Freakmo and all of these other amazing people, and I'm just dialing up the Halloween inspo. You know, it's all. That's it. That's literally what it is. You know, there's not a lot of depth here. But what I want to do is really kind of challenge myself to recreate a lot of things that they make just for my own teaching myself, XYZ, element of P. So what I'm doing today, you can see by the title, is I'm gonna be inflicted with a lot of broken glass. All up in here. I'm gonna go for the side of my face because I'm left-handed. I always work on this side of my face, so I figured why not. You know, that's it. So what I've already done is I've taken some of this. Playing with it is the worst thing ever. Because unlike typical scar wax that feels just like Play-Doh, that feels like I picked up a puked up cat fur ball and decided to play with it and stick it on my face. So this is what I'm playing with. This is called Flesh Fake Skin, and I just literally shocked myself when I opened this container. See that? See that? Yeah. Okay, that's enough. It's literally got hair in it. It's like scar wax, but I haven't decided if it's better or worse. So that's that. So let me put my hair back and let's get started fucking shit up on our faces. It's gonna be great. There's not enough face masks in the world that can save me now. So I've already balled up and like pushed and pressed, and the only thing I'm gonna do is just to make sure it looks seamless into my face is kind of spread out said edges to where they feel fairly flat. And I'm gonna cover this with foundation in a little bit. Boop. A little boop. So it's just a level of extra greasy to where I really don't need any kind of makeup remover or lubrication, anything like that on my hands, so that's nice. It's just ugh, things that make you go. And so I'm rolling this into like kind of a flat tubular shape and playing with some of this stuff. And then I'm just gonna spread her out. If your line's not perfect, it's okay, because realistically we're gonna be and shoving glass in it. Fake glass. But I'm really not a fan of scar wax, so I figured why not keep playing with it until I become a fan. I've tried other scar waxes that I hate. I've tried some that I'm okay with. I feel like I have boils on my face. Can I just take a moment and tell you something funny? So my lens on my camera, it has blue paint on it from when I painted the bathroom. It has glitter that I will never get off of it. It's got like shimmery eyeshadow on it, and now it's got, I'd say like a gentle layer of spirit gum on top of all of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put foundation on the other side of my face. And go from there. So like, you can clearly see all my edges, like, I don't know, not feeling it. I'm gonna keep going just so that way, you know, whatever. At least I have the experience of stop. Alright, now for my next trick, my glass. We're gonna make this look better. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, you know this is not my foundation color. Alright, I'm gonna work with what I have broken. Okay, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some scab blood on it. Get both sides of your glass to make it realistic, girl. Don't be falling. Oh my god, what it's like to be left-handed. Okay, so I found these little droppers, like just the dropper by itself. I didn't have to buy a whole bottle, which was awesome. And I like these for like the 3D gels and all that kind of jazz, like when you want to get a lot like in a certain area instead of like dipping a spatula going back and forth or just pouring the bottle out on you. I had this little baby bottle of stage blood. Minty. But these are great for placing gelatin where you want it to go. Fucking putting blood where you want it to go. Watch this shit. Ooh, bitch. Oh god, it's so minty. I want that to run down my neck, so let's no. Shot through the heart and y'all feel. This is so minty. Okay, now I got blood on my pants. What? What? What's the commercial where the little boy is like, "Mom, we got a situation." Enough celebration, because we've got a little bit more to do. So I have a little dish, and I'm just gonna take some of this. All right, and then I'm gonna spray. So I've got. I'll pour it out. I can't do this. Okay, and then I found this underneath my sink. It's like bristly. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get bristly with it. I mean, here's the magic all over my arm. Maybe I should hold this way the fuck above my head. Just kidding. These things take time to make them look good and make them look exciting. This is obviously not the best work. I have some seams and whatnot. And now is the best time than ever just to like let you know. Happy Halloween. Thank you for watching. And just like that, back where we started.